Dinner, and I got a salad with nuts on it, and looks fabulous. And this here is apple. Can anyone tell me what this is? It looks too small to be a fig. It sure looks like a fig on the inside. Is it maybe a date? Looks date? Fabulous. No. Not quite awake. I need my coffee. Okay, good morning on day 38. This albergue does not have coffee, but my goodness, did we love our beautiful room here? Yeah. See, we got this little shanty all to ourselves. The other pilgrims are down the hall and in the main compartment, packing up and getting ready to hit the trail. I think everyone's got a long way to go today. I'll come back to you on the trail. It's still dark out, but the sun will be up momentarily. Let's go on the trail. We're just getting started on the road here, and it's misting. Well, it's not as bad as it was 5 minutes ago. Well, be careful on the trail.
Are there two ways to go?
Well, it's a good thing we checked, because we hadn't planned on taking our ponchos today. But now we are both in our ponchos. Here we go. We haven't worn these in about, maybe a week, maybe 10 days. But we're going to hit the trail with the other pilgrims. Here they come. And we'll get back to you. We have 21 kilometers today, so we got to go. I think this is more like fog than it is anything. But we still don't want our stuff to get wet. That's just nasty. Keep your headlight. Yep. It's about as big as my hand. He's getting off the road, but I wonder if, no, he's just slow and he's not injured. No. Okay, give me your light.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Show me come way up here with your light. Right on him. Oh, okay, little fella. We got you off the road. Okay. He's like, damn it. Finally, we ducked into this bar here to get some coffee, and finally could see the trail. And I told Francine that starting tomorrow and going forward, I'm not leaving in the dark. I miss too much. You know, on the long days we've left in the dark, and I really haven't minded, but I missed this Galicia trail last time. I don't want to miss anymore, so. Okay, we have had coffee, and we are hitting the road.
Okay, no.
All right, we're in a town called Tria Castella, and lots of pilgrims stopped here last night, but we stopped further back. I liked our albergue. It's quite nice. What is this? It says Domino on it. That looks like a little ape. Oh my God, how cute is that? All right, we're going. Here's a big split in the trail. The one on the left will go 7 kilometers further than the one on the right. So we're going this way. And let's see how far we have to go to Santiago. 131 kilometers. Francine is down there fertilizing the daisies, and I'm up here looking at, I think, wow, a little abandoned town. I don't see anybody. I see the beautiful boy here. Oh, he's just marvelous. And look how they built this place right into the mountain.
Yeah. Look the light. No.
Hi, fella.
One.
Oh,
I'll take a picture.
just looking at pilgrims. Hi,
Yeah.
buddy.
Yeah.
Day 38 through this wonderful Galician forest. Come on, right?
Okay.
Hai che fazê-lo na caixa, melhor.
So that was a very nice donativo. It was in a little mountain town called Montan, Montan. Very nice. I had granola. Feet are holding up pretty good. A little dirty and dusty from the trail today. But the fog, still foggy out. Smell cow poop in the air.
I think it was funny. 122, 123.
We haven't seen the sun all day. That's okay. And I'm dealing with a painful shoulder on this side. So don't know what's going on there.
Holy shit. Look at that.
Yeah.
Wow. Somewhere.
Hi, sweetheart. Hi, sweetie. Oh, I like your stripe. It's very pretty. And you? Oh, are you a baby donkey? Hi, sweet. Oh, you're good looking? Okay. What's the name of this town? That's the cutest thing I ever saw today. Pinton. I love it. We have about 3 kilometers to go. And we're going to be in Sarria. Probably going to be around 2, so as per usual, we'll get to the town during siesta. We'll have to wait till 5 or 4, 5, 6 for things to start opening up. I lost my razor somewhere, so I need to get a cheap razor. And I think that's about all I need. Yeah. I will get back to you. Picked up lots of acorns along the way. Been doing it since, well, I've been doing it for a month, picking up an acorn here and there. Now, I have successfully grown a oak tree from a seed that I found in Chiavari. Remember that, Anne? And it was knocked over in one of the windstorms at Guardia, and I lost the plant. But I have done it. Long story short, so how do we propagate these acorns? I think what we do is we stick them in water overnight, and you know, the ones that float on the top are no good, and the ones that sink to the bottom are viable. And then we put them in a wet paper towel, and we stick them in the fridge and fake them out. We make them think it's winter. Anybody have a green thumb that can verify this is how you would make an acorn grow? Hey kids. Little baby goats. All right, well, we're just entering Sarria. Kind of a nice big city. I think it's going to be the last big city before Santiago. About 400 kilometers from our albergue. And we see some more goats here. Hi. Hi, guys. How wonderful you are. You too. You're magnificent. Mm-hmm. Aw, lovely. What you chewing on? Hi, sweet. What you guys chewing on? Yeah, they're all over this field. This is a hawk moth. We have them
In Italy?
in Italy. It looks like a hummingbird. It acts like a hummingbird, but it's actually just a moth. Where is it? There he is. There he is. Oh my God, he's fabulous. A